welcome back. So today I want to do something silly and lighthearted, kind of when I was talking about more game show, fun playfulness in my chapstick video. Because sometimes the news just brings us down. It's hard to live in a world of 24/7 information that can kind of be overwhelming and too much and too serious. And sometimes it's nice to have a lighthearted moment of your day. So today I'm going to try something that I've never tried, which is snacks from the dollar store. I love the dollar store, I get lots there. I just don't normally buy snack food. And I thought, you know what, we're gonna try these. We're gonna see if they're edible, if they're great, or if they're horrible. We're gonna find out. So I bought 3 bags of stuff to try, and I haven't opened these yet. We're gonna try them. I have some skeptical feelings on some of them and some hopeful feelings on others. So we're gonna see how that goes. Let's go wild. Let's be crazy and see, are these edible? Okay, I'm starting off. Is it a bungle? It's a bungle with the bungle. 99 cents for a little cone. I guess they're kind of the Horn of Plenty, aren't they? Yes, okay. Let's try these out. America's #1 finger hat. I'm just going to show that to you because if that doesn't sum up America, I don't know what does. Don't say a red hat. I mean, you know, it's a full bag. It's got a lot of treats in there for 99 cents. What's in this? You know what? Relatively not horrible. It's from Minnesota, eh? I like Minnesota, don't you know? They're near the Canadians, eh? Okay. I'm gonna be brave. I'm just gonna try one. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm a sassy pants, but it's edible. I'm not going to put it in the great category because it's kind of like eating salted cardboard. But it's pleasant salted cardboard. It's totally edible. I mean, I would give this to like a kid that licks the floor because they'll like it. But I don't know. I don't know if I would want to buy these again. They aren't horrible. They aren't horrible. I just, it says hockey moms and referees and curling teams and sons love these. I'm skeptical, but, Bungle's America's #1 finger hat. Give it a try. See what you think. It's gonna go on the medium list. Edible, but not fantastic. Okay. Now, TGI Fridays. I don't believe that I've ever been to a TGI Fridays. It is a chain restaurant in America. I think they all wear the same uniform. It's like a striped shirt. Yes. But I've never been to a TGI Fridays. I've been to other restaurants like that are big chains ones. They're infamous for making really high calorie food that's super bad for you. But in theory, people like it because, you know, they're all over. This is a Buffalo Ranch flavor. It's a premium puffed corn snack. I mean, I like a premium snack as much as the next lady. That sounds so much dirtier than I intended it to initially. Okay, we're gonna open it. Ready? I was gonna like do a dramatic open and that's easy. Hold on. No, that didn't work at all. Yeah, okay. Dramatic open. Not as good when you have to bake it. That's what she said. Oh wow. Oh, that's so strong. I just smelled it, and I have to admit that it made me a little queasy smelling that, which is an unusual symptom for smelling food for me. I don't normally become nauseous when smelling food. But that did make me queasy. That might just be the strength of it. It might not be, it's not a bad smell. Just a really strong one. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put this premium puffer in. I mean, it does taste like Buffalo Ranch. I think some people might like that flavor. Oh, it gets spicy at the end. But, I don't know, it just kind of makes my tummy turn a little, which is weird. So maybe Buffalo Ranch puffs are not my thing. I'm gonna say, I mean, for me, not edible because the smell makes me want to hurl. But that's not fair because the smell might not make everybody hurl. So, I'm gonna put it in the unedible, but you know, I could give in the 2. I would eat these over these because at least these don't make me puke. It's just delicious cardboard that's salted. Okay, these I have the highest hope for. These are peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. Now I've bought giant tubs of things like this at Costco, so I'm hoping these are good. Before my brother went gluten-free, I used to buy these for him for snacks when he was at community college. Okay, let's see if I can do a dramatic good opening on this one. Ready? That worked way better. Okay, see, I really like it more. A non-offensive smell. Boy, those really turned my tummy. I wonder what about them did. That's funny. Oh, note to self: do not send me Buffalo Ranch flavored stuff. Apparently. Okay. Not offensive. Doesn't actually smell like. I mean, it smells a little bit like peanut butter. Let's try it. Perfectly yummy. That's a lot of peanut butter. Okay, these are actually relatively tasty. I mean, they kind of lack salt on the pretzel, but maybe that's just from my kid jumping up and down on the bag. They're good. I'm gonna go get some water and then I'm gonna give you my review. Thank you, Lo. I love my photography set. He's off camera right now, but he's assisting with all of my snack bags.
Could you can give them to me when you're done Instagramming? That way you can give them to me.
Thank you, love.
But you do Instagramming.
Okay. I wouldn't say that any of those are snacks that I think to myself, on my road trip, I'm gonna eat these all. I think the peanut butter pretzels were the most successful. The TGI Friday stuff. Ugh. Nope. Salted cardboard, I mean, you could have worse. Pretty much describes my dating history, let's be honest. My dating history is the America's #1 finger hats. It's true. Do you have a favorite snack food for our road trip? Yes.
You just open all them and now you can do an Instagram out them closed, you know?
Oh no, I can do the Instagram with them open.
How?
He believes that all YouTube videos are Instagram. Oh, I just can't.
Magical abilities. Oh,
I'm sorry, not all. He just loves to do Instagram with mommy. I apologize. I was misrepresenting his general artistic merit.
I don't do Instagram when you don't want me in it.
No, you're really good. Do you want to come up here and say bye-bye to people, or do you want to stay off camera?
I would say bye-bye to them.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Well, bye, YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for coming along and being silly with us, because we're silly billies. We are. We like a good snack. Hey, do you want to try this now?
What?
Do you want to try the bungle? You can try one. You want to eat on camera? You can eat off camera or on. It's up to you.
You kind of told off camera thing I eat these.
Okay. He doesn't want to test these because he's watched mommy go, ugh, and I don't think he's fully trustworthy of them, but trusting of them. But thank you so much for giving these a thumbs up, for playing along with us. If you are new to the channel, my name is Rose. My son is Abraham. I do a ton of speed cleaning videos and organizing videos. We do a lot of family vlogs on here, and I do some of these silly Billy videos that are just playful.
I eat all them, I get tummy. I eat all those things, then I get tummy.
It's totally true. If you ate all the snacks from the dollar store, you get a tummy ache. That's why I only tried one of each. You're very smart.
That's why
you're a smart kid.
That's why I'm not going to eat all these things.
Hey, give me a high five for smartness. Boom. Let me say bye-bye. Hey, thank you so much. If you haven't already, go click down in the description box. I list to our Instagram, and I list to all of my romance novels that I write, which is my full-time gig of getting to write wonderful, fun novels for you all. And I love it when you send me a little note about a book that you've read that you've enjoyed. It just means the world to me. You can also check out all of our homeware designs that I design. I design mugs and teas, and in fact our Instagram is a great place to go and check out photos of those, because I post a lot of those. All the teas I design, all the mugs and the pillows and things. So until next time, hey, I'm going to see you on this channel. I will see you on my other YouTube channel, all of our Instagram, occasionally on Twitter. And until then, hey, thanks so much for following along. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.